Hello student, today I will discuss one important topic, electric dipole, from the chapter electric charges and field. So what is electric dipole? If two equal and opposite charges separated at a very small distance, then they form an electric dipole. Suppose minus q and plus q charges separated at a distance twice L, then they constitute an electric dipole. The distance twice L between the minus q and plus q charges is known as the dipole length. Although the total charges of an electric dipole is 0. Another important topic is electric dipole moment. Now what is electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment is the product of the magnitude of any of the charge and the dipole length. So, if P is the electric dipole moment, then P vector is equal to Q into twice L. Electric dipole moment, it is a vector quantity and its direction is minus Q to plus Q. Now the unit of electric dipole moment in SI system. As in SI system, the unit of Q is coulomb and L its unit is meter. For that reason, then in SI system, the unit of electric dipole moment equal to coulomb meter. In CGS system, the unit of electric dipole moment is state coulomb centimeter. Now, for an electric dipole, there is an electric effect around it. Now, in the third topic, we will see that for an electric dipole, in the unknown position and the equatorial position, what is the electric field intensity due to an electric dipole? So, the third topic, let us see electric field intensity at a point on the axial line. Axial line, that is also known as unknown position. Axial line of an electric dipole. Let us first consider an electric dipole. Its dipole length is twice L. Midpoint is O. In the axial line, let us consider a point P. The distance of the point P is from the midpoint of the dipole is R. Minus Q, its position is A, plus Q, its position, let us consider B. Now we have to calculate the electric field intensity at point P due to the electric dipole. First, let us calculate the electric field intensity due to minus Q, that is electric field intensity due to minus Q equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Already we know that electric field intensity, its formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So here what will be due to point A, electric field intensity EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. R square, that is, here will be what? AP square, and its direction will be minus I vector, because EA will direct in this direction, that is, it is negative x-axis, and the electric field intensity due to plus Q vector equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by, it will be BP square, and its direction will be EB outwards along positive x-axis, that is I cap. It's okay. Now AP is equal to what will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by as A to B is twice L, so that portion will be L and that portion also will be L. So there will be, that is AP R plus L, R plus L whole square I cap. The minus sign is there, it is there. Now for EB, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by, now BP that is R minus L, R minus L square I cap. Now electric field, net electric field intensity at point P due to minus Q and plus Q charge, it will be net electric field intensity at point P equal to EA vector plus EB vector. Is okay? Now EA plus EB. One by 4 pi epsilon naught minus then Q by R plus L whole square I cap plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus L whole square I cap. So next, what will be its calculation? Let us take common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and also we can take Q. It is, can take that Q as common, we can take common. Next, the positive part, let us first write 1 by 1 minus R, 1 by R minus L whole square minus 1 by R plus L whole square, and there is I cap. Let us use their second bracket. Okay. So now Q by 4 pi epsilon naught LCM if we take, then it will be R minus L into R plus L square. Okay, then there will be R plus L square minus R minus L square. So Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, ultimately A plus B and A minus B giving us R square minus L square whole square, and if we A plus B whole square, its formula is R square plus L square plus 2 RL minus R square minus, it will be plus 2 RL minus L square. So L square cancel, R square is cancel. Ultimately there will be q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 4 r l by r square minus l square whole square, and everywhere there will be I cap. Now also we know electric dipole moment P is equal to Q into twice L vector I. So it will be Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2 into P vector by R square minus L square whole square. Q is there, there is one Q. Okay, so that portion, that is Q is there, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2 is there, 2 into 2 QL into R, and there is R square minus L square whole square. Now there will be one R. That portion 2 QL we can take as electric dipole moment P. Now if the distance R is far away, very weak compared to the length L, then that is if R is bigger than L, L is very small because the dipole length is very small one. For that reason the L square we can neglect. Then what will be there? Q by 4 pi, that Q is has taken for electric dipole moment. So two R P vector divided by R, we can neglect that portion L square, then it will be R to the power 4. Then we can cancel that part. So ultimately what will be? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2p vector by R cube. It's okay. So ultimately for axial position, that is for end-on position, the electric field intensity is equal to 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. So okay, our next topic is electric field intensity on the equatorial point, that is on the perpendicular point. This phone number, electric field intensity at a point on the perpendicular of an electric dipole. It is also known as equatorial point on position. So again let us consider one electric dipole. Dipole length is twice L. Now midpoint is O. One perpendicular drawn on the electric dipole. Let us consider a point P on the perpendicular. Now due to minus Q and due to plus Q, what is the electric field intensity at the point P? We have to calculate. The electric field intensity due to the position of minus Q is A, the position of plus Q is B. Now the electric field intensity due to plus Q it will be, its direction will be EB minus Q plus Q twice L is the dipole length. Let us draw a perpendicular on the point is O. Okay. Now point P is the point on the perpendicular where we have to calculate the electric field intensity due to the dipole. Now due to plus Q charge, the electric field intensity it will be outside from the plus Q charge. So its direction will be outwards. EB. And due to minus Q, the electric field intensity will be inward, that is towards its position is A, its position is B. It is EA. Its direction. Its angle, let us consider, is theta. It is L length, AO is L, so there is theta. Okay. Now, what is the electric field intensity at P due to EA and EB? So let us calculate EA. Take the magnitude of EA. It will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by AP square. It is directed along PA. And electric field intensity due to point B 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by BP square. BP square. It is directed along BP direction. Along BP. Now, net electric field intensity. Oh, before that, AP is equal to what? See, it is the point P is situated at a distance is R. So, from Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the portion FP and BP. If that part is, that is OP is L, PO is R, then that part is r square plus l square. Same as that side also, AP is equal to root over r square plus l square. So EA is equal to what will be? EA, it will be Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square plus l square root over square, and EB is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into it is same r square plus l square whole square. EA and EB as same is coming, for that reason the two can be considered as E. Can be considered as E. So okay, EA and EB. Now see, if we draw a perpendicular there, then what will be the angle there? As there is theta, so the angle will be there theta, and as there is theta, so that angle also will be theta. It's okay. Now the EA and EB same angle, so its resultant will be directed in the middle of the angle. It's okay. So from the vector chapter, the resultant we can calculate by the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So there will be EA square plus EB square plus 2EA EB cos theta. Theta, that is the angle between the two vectors. So there the angle between the two vector is theta plus theta, that is 2 theta. Now EA and EB same, so can be considered as E. So E square plus E square, that is 2 E square, plus 2 EA EB, that is same again E square cos 2 theta. E square is common, 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. It's okay. Now E can be take outside of the root, so there is left 2 into 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. It can be write as 2 cos square theta. So E root over 4 cos square theta. Now 4 is if we take out from root, then by 2 it will come out, and cos square theta, that is out of root it will be cos theta. Now let us put its value to E. It will it was Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square plus l square. Now cos theta. Cos theta, what is value? Cos theta, that is base by hypotenuse. Then what will be? L by hypotenuse is what? R square plus L square 1 by 2. So 2ql divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. There is coming r square plus l square, 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Again, if L is very small compared to R, if L is very small compared to R, then we can write E vector is equal to 2ql by 4 pi epsilon naught into R cube. That is 2 will be cancelled, L square we can neglect, and if the power, if we take the product, then 2 will be cancelled, only 3 will left there. It's okay. Now again 2ql in vector, if we consider, then it is directed along negative x-axis. Okay, it is along negative x-axis. Its magnitude, there is considering its magnitude. Considering its magnitude, that one is directed along positive, E vector is directed along negative x-axis. So E vector is equal to 2ql by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube minus I cap. It's okay. Again 2ql I is P, electric dipole moment. P is equal to electric dipole moment, P is equal to 2q into twice L I cap, P vector. So electric field intensity is equal to minus P by P vector by, there is 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. It is the electric field intensity due to an electric dipole at on equatorial point. So in this way we have seen that the electric field intensity due to an electric dipole on end-on position and on equatorial position. So you have to practice that one, and in the next video I'll discuss relating to electric dipole, that is about torque due to an electric dipole. So for today, thank you, that's all.